back to the community, I think, gives a sense of purpose, and I think that's really important to humans. I think if you're helping others, you kind of feel like accomplished and rewarded.
Being generous is important because when you improve other people's lives, that's immensely satisfying.
Because giving back to others creates a better social environment, which just makes everyone else feel better.
Have a Hub is important for the community because it is that central space where it provides a lot of variety for people. It provides opportunity, but it also provides space to come meet, to come and grab a coffee, to inquire.
It was originally at the old post office, but it ceased to become one about 10, 11, 12 years ago and was left in a bit of a state, as an understatement. And so a group of us got together and we came down and we volunteered to try and get it into a shipshape sort of manner so we could actually use it as a community centre. Then the call went out for people to come to have a look around to start with and ask if anybody was prepared to volunteer. So we said, yeah, we'll join in.
We have volunteering opportunities, so it's a space where people from all walks of life, all abilities, all capabilities, all ages are very welcome to come and enjoy Have a Hub.
It's benefit for ourselves as well. It makes us feel good, that we can contribute to society, because that's so important.
Really pleased that we got the cafe now, where we were able to give an opportunity for a pop-up cafe, for community cafe. It's just putting people together in a really nice place, and that's what we're doing, and that's what we've got to carry on doing in a neutral space. Isn't sort of restricted or under some strong agenda, so that people feel it's theirs. So I guess my message is Have a Hub is your home, it's everyone's home from home, and that's what we like to think people will use it for.
Tanyard is a voluntary youth organisation, runs in Pembroke. I think that when people are volunteering at the Tanyard, they don't realise the good that it does them, and I include adults and young people in this. I think that when people come along to a group like Bespoke, they think they're coming to get the benefit of other people's company, but in actual fact they are volunteering their time, their companionship and their support to other people.
I'm a member of Bespoke because I have disabilities. It's a group that get together every week for people with spinal cord injuries or mobility issues, whether you're suffering mental health issues or just feeling a bit lonely or just needing a purpose, something to do. Volunteering is amazing and it helps so many people as well as yourself.
When Jo first joined the group, she was a little bit shy, I think possibly a bit nervous. She settled in fairly quickly, and we all found out that she's really good at arts and crafts, and tapping into her interests, she started to settle into the group, and she's really blossomed actually. She's taken on lead volunteer responsibility for our craft sessions, and she'll tell you herself how much she's really benefited from coming along, how it's lifted her and how it's completely changed her life.
Now I've got this volunteering role, I've got a purpose, I've got a bit of responsibility again, and yeah, it's been fantastic having people coming to me asking for my help, and when I thought that I was useless, but now I don't feel that anymore.